In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create slides in Genspark. We'll walk through getting into the app, starting an AI slides project, giving it clear input, reviewing the results, and wrapping up with exporting, sharing, and reusing templates. First, open your browser and go to genspark.ai. If you already have an account, log in. If not, go ahead and sign up with your email so you can save and edit your projects. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From the dashboard or the sidebar, look for the option labeled AI Slides, sometimes just called Slides. Click it, then start a fresh project by selecting New Chat or Create New Slides. The wording can vary slightly depending on your version, but the flow is the same. You're creating a new slide deck powered by AI. Next, give Genspark a prompt or some input material. Be specific about your topic, audience, and tone. For example, you might say you want a beginner-friendly overview, a concise executive summary, or a lesson plan with examples. If you have notes, an outline, or existing text, paste that in so the AI has something concrete to work with. You can also mention a preferred number of slides or key sections you want covered. Clear input leads to cleaner output. Now, let Genspark do its thing. You'll see it think for a moment and then produce a full deck, including slide titles, bullet points or short paragraphs, a layout, and sometimes images or simple graphics. Use the preview panel to navigate slide by slide so you can assess structure and flow. Take a few minutes to review and edit. You can change text, tighten long bullets into concise points, adjust formatting, and move elements around the slide. If anything looks crowded or off-brand, ask the AI to regenerate or adjust a specific slide, or request fewer words, more examples, or a cleaner layout. Small, targeted prompts usually yield the best refinements. When you're happy, export or share your slides directly from the interface. This makes it easy to present, send for feedback, or store a copy. Finally, consider templates for future work. If you like the style you created, duplicate the deck or use template from a previous project so your next presentation starts with the same look and feel. And that's it. You've logged in, created an AI slides project, provided input, reviewed and refined the results, and exported or shared your finished deck with a reusable template ready for next time.